You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast, where international moving doesn't have to be overwhelming. Not when you have a full service partner like SDC International Moving, guiding you every step of the way. Today, we're showing you how SDC makes the moving timeline work for you. With SDC, your international move doesn't start at the port. It starts at your front door. Our teams help you prepare from day one, manage all local pickups, coordinate shipping schedules, and track your container every step of the way. Packing for an international move. Packing for an international move isn't just about boxes and tape. It's about meeting international standards, clearing customs, and protecting your most valuable possessions over thousands of miles. Many Southern Californians underestimate just how different overseas packing is from a local or interstate move. At SDC, we've seen the consequences of do-it-yourself packing: delays, fines, or even outright refusal at customs because materials weren't compliant or documentation wasn't accurate. That's why we offer professional international packing services designed to save you time, prevent damage, and ensure a smooth custom clearance process. What makes international packing different? Material compliance. Countries often restrict reused or untreated wood. That means no second-hand pallets or reclaimed crates. We use certified materials that meet international regulations. Itemized inventory. Customs require a detailed, categorized, valued inventory. Every box must be clearly labeled with its contents and estimated value documented. Protection from long-distance risk. Your items may be handled multiple times at ports, ships, and in warehouses. We use double-wall cartons, shock-absorbing materials, and custom crating for fragile or valuable items. Here's what you cannot pack. Certain items simply cannot be shipped internationally. Perishable foods, hazardous materials like cleaning agents or batteries, plants or soil, firearms or restricted electronics. Our team helps you audit your belongings so nothing gets flagged or delayed in transit. Should you pack yourself? You can, but there are risks. Insurance providers won't cover damage to self-packed goods. In contrast, items packed by SDC professionals can be covered under our all-risk cargo insurance. It's peace of mind you'll be thankful for when your shipment arrives safe and sound on the other side of the world. Until next time, trust SDC's International Moving to carry your world, one shipment at a time.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.